Okay, guys, welcome back. Today I'm gonna warm it again. I got the new helichopper casting gun for 2026 Hot Wheels Monster Trucks. Pretty cool. Here's the back. All I need for this case is the Mega Rex, and I'm done. But I think I do have this Mega Rex, but I gotta look at my collection soon. That way, if I don't, I can get it. If I have it, I won't even bother. Helichopper, guys. Coast Patrol. Name Helichopper, Truck Type, City Strength, Sky Shredders, Crash Attack, Turbo Takeoff. Pretty cool. Nice. Let's go and open it. Ooh. I like that one. Here it is, guys. And the cool thing is the propeller actually spins. Nice. Let's go take off, guys. Ready? Here's a helichopper. It's really cool. Chrome beadlocks. Oh, look, there's some clear coat defect there. Haha, nice. I've never seen that before. Not nice, but you know, it's a factory error. There's the front of the helicopter. The awesome propeller. This is a pretty cool casting. I like it. And it says Hot Wheels Monster Trucks Helichopper, guys. And it says 75 here with the fan. White roll cage, black chassis, black tires. It has blue right here in the back. And a little top of the helicopter. I don't know, people are going to say it's a bizarre casting. It's kind of like a little fun concept. But I like this one. It's really cool. Turn this one more time with. Look at that. Alright. So that's it, guys. And it has a little red piece up there to help the propeller spin. Alright, guys. So that's it. Like, subscribe, comment, share, more unboxings coming soon. Peace out. Hope you enjoyed.